Hi, and welcome to Chartico. In this video, we will be going over how to create an account for your business. First, visit chartico.chimerasciences.com. Start by clicking Join Chartico today. It will take you to the sign-up page. Chartico data models feed directly from Google Sheets in order to provide the easiest and fastest integration with your data. You don't need an expensive and complex database to create automated reporting. Chartico creates the data pipelines for you in order to allow you to create powerful visualizations for your clients by just using Google Sheets. In order to expose the data you are trying to report on, go to your Google Drive and create a folder. Give this folder a descriptive name and click Share. Insert our email address, which is chartico@chimerasciences.com. That is all you have to do to ensure that only the data inside the folder will be visible to Chartico. You can revoke this access at any time. Back at the sign-up page, fill in all of the necessary fields. Make sure that your Gmail address and Google Drive folder are all under the same Google account. This will ensure that we can match the correct folder to your Chartico account. After you've done this, click Create Account. Shortly after, you will receive an email to activate the account you just created. Click the link to verify your account, and that's it! Welcome to the Chartico family. Thanks for watching and exploring Chartico.